Welcome back to our ongoing series on how to create a life operating system in Notion. I'm getting ready to do a video or two on integrating Google Calendar with the Notion PPV system, but I realized before doing that, I needed to do a more in-depth introduction on how to plan the day. We talked about this a little bit in the overall Action Zone introduction a while back, but I still get a lot of questions among participants in my course and in the online community. And I wanted to give a little bit more specific and detailed demonstration on how I plan each day. And this happens the night before. So the night before each day, I will plan the details and the sequence and the priorities of what I'm going to do the following day. So when I come back and sit down at my desk that next day, I'm ready to go. I have a clear path forward. There is no ambiguity whatsoever. And if I start doing something that's not on my planned schedule, I know I've deviated. There is clarity that I'm off track. So the path on what I need to do and what I'm supposed to do is extremely clear and transparent. And that's why we do it the night before. So we don't sit down and have that, oh, what should I start on first? That question is dangerous. That question will not lead to your most productive, high impact days.